The remains of a dog found buried alongside a human somewhere between 14 and 15,000 years ago show that we domesticated them from their wild wolf ancestors at least this far back in time. Hey there dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will kick off a two-part series all about our favorite four-legged canine companions, the domestic dog. 2020, a year infamous for the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, marked a sharp rise in people's interest in bringing a dog home, as shown by an incredible spike in Google searches for the phrase foster a dog. This jump in our desire to be around these furry friends was probably due to the changes in lifestyle mandated by lockdowns all over the world. Perhaps some of us were looking for more friendship and love in our lives during a time when limited social interaction has caused a serious effect on many of our psychological well-beings. Or maybe we needed something to breathe new life into our mundane routines, especially for children forced to stay away from school and other kids. Regardless, bonds between humans and dogs are nothing new, not by a long shot. In fact, the remains of a dog found buried alongside a human somewhere between 14 and 15,000 years ago show that we domesticated them from their wild wolf ancestors at least this far back in time. A domestic relationship dating back that far has not been shown to exist among humans and any other animals. So, maybe they shouldn't just be known as our best friends, but our oldest ones as well. It is unknown exactly how and where dogs, or technically wolves, were first domesticated. One theory is that they were drawn in by food waste from human dwellings or settlements. Over time, the more docile, yet brave enough individuals may have become tolerated and cared for by these humans. Perhaps our already existent social lifestyles made us more of a fit to dogs than with other animals. What we do know is that at one point, we began to selectively choose and breed dogs with traits and behaviors we desired. This still goes on today, resulting in the multitude of dog breeds. With such a long history, it is no surprise that dogs play many roles in mythology and religion. Dogs have appeared in myths and legends from ancient Greece all the way to those of the Aztec civilization in central Mexico. In one myth from ancient Greece, a dog was said to watch over the infant Zeus, who would go on to become the king of the gods. Even the legendary King Arthur had a dog. In modern times, the bonds between some dogs and humans have been shown to become incredibly strong. Many people consider the pet dogs a part of the family. In 2019, more households in the USA had pets, the majority being dogs than they did children. However, attitudes towards dogs are not constant around the world, where in some places such as the Middle East, they can be considered dirty or unclean, or eaten in parts of Vietnam, Korea and China, and generally not viewed favorably in other parts of the world. Historically, free-ranging dogs have also been seen as disease-carrying pests in India. However, the dog meat trade and the negative view towards street or free-ranging dogs is thankfully declining in all these countries. From an evolutionary perspective, there is evidence that we have evolved together with dogs in what scientists call co-evolution. From this evolutionary growing up with us, dogs are amazingly innately able to understand human body language, more so than any other animal. For example, understanding where we point and what it means. They may even pick up on what you're looking at and react to it. For example, processing that you are glancing at the leash may mean it's time for a walk. Amazing, isn't it? And not to forget the many cases of dogs detecting the emotions of their owners and reacting to them, such as offering comfort in times of sadness. They can even tell the difference in our facial expression when we're happy or angry. Wow! Perhaps then it is no surprise the strong bonds we can form with them, or even their popularity in modern media. Take, for example, TV shows like Dog Whisperer with Cesar Millan and Canine Intervention on Netflix, where dog trainers work with owners and their dogs with the goal of creating better conditions and behaviors. Or even classic Disney films like 101 Dalmatians and Old Yeller, to the 2021 Indonesian film June and Kopi on Netflix. There is no doubt that our furry buddies are very popular today. For that matter, social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok have become packed with cute and heartwarming stories featuring these lovable furballs. More than this, dogs play many important roles in our society today. From drug-sniffing canines to search and rescue, from guide dogs for the blind to emotion support dogs, from guarding and herding livestock to hunting and guarding. The list goes on. If you weren't surprised to learn that dogs can instinctively understand some of our body language, you still might be amazed to hear that some dogs have learned to talk back to us. And no, we don't mean barking when we take away their favorite toys. We don't even mean the remarkable ability that some breeds, like Siberian Huskies and Husky mixes, being able to make very human words, which, by the way, is incredible in itself. Actually, while we're on the subject, check out the cuteness that is Kiyush, the stunt dog,
Tells I love you. Sing.
and Sherpa. Can you hear them voice human words? What we really mean by talk back to us, though, is really talk back to us, as in literally telling us what they want. Meet Stella, the world's first talking dog that uses programmable devices as her voice. Her mom, Christina Hunger, a speech pathologist, used animal psychology, speech pathology, and AAC, or the augmentative and alternative communication, combined with her experience in teaching toddlers, used recordable buttons to speak to her puppy Stella, a blue heeler Catahoula mix. Stella uses over 45 words and creating phrases up to 5 words long in expressing her feelings, requests, and thoughts to her parents. Since Christina's invention, many other parents have started to model her method with their fur kids. Also, check out What About Bunny on YouTube and Instagram to have your socks knocked off. Links in the description below. So, we know they're smart, lovable, and have a long and rich history with humankind, but they've also known to be amazing in other ways, even heroic. Let me know some of your favorite dogs that you follow on social media and why in the comment section below. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, keep safe, everyone.